Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur. I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, how you doing? This is a hair video. We are definitely giving you Donna Summer-esque vibes. Not really sure how I'm feeling about it, but this is a U-part unit, and I'm going to give you a review about it, how I feel about it. So if you want to see how I feel about it, you want to see how I kind of styled it a little bit, make sure you continue to watch. This is the baddie of all trades type of vibe. So we do fashion, hair, nails, makeup, all of that good stuff. If that's something that you are interested in, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so anytime I upload a video you are notified. Kiss that like button, give me a big fat thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Let's hop right into the video, you guys. Okay, hey, we're gonna hop right into it. Wash my hair, and I usually do my hair in twists now to avoid just braiding it down and stuff like that. So as you can see, here it is. I'm just doing my hair in a little bun, and I left out the front piece and then the middle. I do have a lot of postpartum hair loss, so I didn't want to keep putting so much glue on my edges, but I still wanted to be a baddie for like when I'm doing content and stuff. So I was like, let me use this U-part wig that I got from AliExpress, and I believe the brand is Flawless Virgo or something Virgo. I'll link it down below so you guys can see where it's from. But as you can see, this is how it looks. I just tried it on to make sure that my parting was correct and see if I had to change it. So I'm cutting off that piece that's in the center of the unit, and that will open that up. So now I just put the unit back on, and I'm just going to use the combs to comb it into place. One thing about this unit is that it is really big, and that's one thing I don't really like about U-parts. They don't really lay as flat as you kind of want them to, so that's kind of the annoying part about it. And I'm just kind of adding in and cutting the front of it to just shape my face a little bit more, especially since I want to do some curls for this. Yeah, so that's just what we're doing right now. Okay, so what I'm doing is that top piece, I'm kind of taking that apart, and I'm going to put it with my real hair because I want to do this when I put the heat on it. I want to do it together so it blends well, as opposed to doing it twice on my real hair. So I'm just moving all my real hair with that first top layer, and then we're going to go in and section it off, and I'm going to start curling with my curling iron. This is a 1-inch curling iron, and I'm just curling it underneath, and it's going to look like spiral curls, and then I go ahead and roll it up to pin them. This is how it looks. I probably could have did that curl over, but I did want the hair to be loose and wild. Yeah, so that's what you see me doing right now, is like pinning it up, and I lay them flat, and I just add the pins in to hold it down. So you just repeat that over and over. Clearly, every time you do hair, it's just repetitive stuff. The curls are looking so pretty. I like the way they're coming out. And I'm just gonna roll them up and pin it down. Okay, so now I'm back at the front section. This is the last section before I get to the part that's for my hair included. So before we even get to that, we're just going to do this last curl, and then what I'm going to do is like do the middle part and part my hair and all of that stuff and get ready to like straighten it. Now, don't use a hot iron. I'm just straightening out the roots because I am going to curl my hair anyway. I'm trying to avoid putting too much heat. Like I said, I am having, well, my hair finally stopped really falling out when I'm like doing what I'm doing. I don't even know what the hell I'm looking for. Probably looking for my comb, y'all. But you can see like the front of my hair looks really sparse. I'm giving you very much postpartum hair loss. Like that's just what's going on. So I'm trying to ignore it. It's trying not to let it bother me. It happens. I'm just happy that it's growing back at this point. Alright, so I'm putting some heat protectant on my hair. I did put heat protectant on the hair before I did the other part, like the other curls on the unit. But I definitely want to make sure I add a lot more in my real hair and comb it out before I do anything, so that I don't have any snags and pull out any more hair. And then I just go in, and I'm not going all the way down because like I said, I am going to go ahead and add some, use the curls. And once I'm done with that, I go ahead and start curling. And as you can see, my hair curls really well with the unit, and it's really matching very well. Like, it's blending pretty good. I'm just pulling down my edges and just trying to figure out how I'm going to do those. I grabbed some Got2b gel, my Eben, and my English, my edge brush, and I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to do my edges. I'm trying to see good because I'm like, what? These look crazy. So I'm trying to comb them in a way that makes them look nice and natural because I don't like a lot of edges, and I don't want to give off like this different vibe that I usually get, but I want my edges to lay really good because, like I said, I'm having a little bit of, my edges aren't sparse, they're just short and broken now, if that makes sense. So I'm just trying to like do it in a way where it looks kind of good and it kind of blends in with the unit a lot better than what we did. And I ended up actually changing this, so just enjoy it for now because it's going to change when I come back. Alright, so after that, I'm going to go ahead and cover that, put a hairnet on, which I probably shouldn't have done because it was hard to get the hairnet off, and then my bonnet, and I'm actually going to sleep in my pin curls, and I'm going to wake up into my makeup, so we're back the next day, and I took out the first curl. That's how it looks. They are coming out really pretty, but they were snagging because of the clips, so I would recommend probably for this hair using bobby pins. This hair did snag a lot. You can see I have like a lot of knots coming out. I'm not really okay with that. That's kind of annoying. It's really annoying because, like, why? But, you know, the hair wasn't too expensive. But I would say, like, you know, not that great. So I'm starting to kind of comb it out. Like I said, I have a lot of snags. So I'm trying to comb it out in a way to make it look nice and neat and the curls don't go all over the place. But it's just really puffy. I'm confused as to why it's actually doing this. It doesn't look bad once I kind of get it to kind of cooperate a little bit, but I would have preferred it to be a lot kind of like flatter. So I did go in afterward and kind of like flat iron the top, not flat iron, hot comb the top just so it lays a little bit flatter. But it doesn't look bad. I like the way my hair is blending. I think my hair is blending pretty well into the unit, which is really the point of this all in the first place. But I'm just, yeah, I'll talk about more how I feel about the unit and my pros and my cons and stuff once we're actually really finished doing the styling. But yeah, like I'm just trying to make it look like something, make it look like something cute. That's what you see me just doing right now, just making sure it's pretty and I like it and it looks like something. As you can see, still working on it, y'all. Okay, you guys, so here's the final look of how the hair came out. It is super big. I do wish that the ends were a lot thicker than what they are. It's getting really big and then it gets thin to me. Maybe it's just me, and I think that's why I keep fidgeting with it and trying to make it look like something. I probably should have straightened it all the way to the ends of the unit, or the roots of the unit, so that it wouldn't be so puffy and it would kind of give me more of this vibe. So I'll probably go in and do that at another time. Right now I'm giving you very much Donna Summer, which is not a bad thing. Donna Summer is a legend. This is a 30-inch unit, and it is really 30 inches. It does come pretty much to my hip, which is amazing. Like, I ordered a 30-inch. I just didn't want to keep putting what's it called, glue on my edges. So I just wanted to try my U-part wig. I've had this wig for a little while, and I got it from AliExpress. And I'll leave everything down. I'll leave everything down in the description box. I'm just going to spray my hair. especially when it comes to my real hair. I want to make sure it has that shine, so I wanted to make sure I sprayed it. And I don't have a lot of my real hair out. My real hair is blending in pretty well with the other hair, which is amazing. It's really what we wanted. But I just, you know, had to take, I filmed this section a few times and I had to take a break because I heard my baby cough. I had to take a break because of the baby. But I do really like how big it is. I mean, it's okay. It's not my fave, but it's not horrible. I think I'm going to straighten it and do it straight for a little while as opposed to the big curls. Because like I said, the curls didn't last how I wanted it to. They didn't take how I wanted it to. Or maybe it did. Maybe it's giving what it should give. Who knows? Let me know, guys, in the comments what you guys think. I'm having like little knots and stuff like that. And like I said, I don't like the ends. But other than that, the hair will do what it has to do. It'll do what I need it to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next one. Don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.